Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate AppleCare Plus for your Apple device. First, make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is eligible. You can check this by going to checkcoverage.apple.com and entering your device's serial number. If it's within the 60-day purchase window, you're good to go. Now, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap General, then About, and choose AppleCare Plus Coverage Available. Follow the on-screen steps to purchase and activate your plan directly from Apple. You might be asked to run a quick remote diagnostic test to verify your device's condition. Once that's done, you'll receive an email confirming your AppleCare Plus activation. If you prefer, you can also visit Apple's official support site, log in with your Apple ID, and activate AppleCare Plus online or at any Apple store. And that's it. Your device is now protected with extended coverage and accidental damage support. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.